Most contractors assume all field service software works the same once you scale up. But here's the truth no one tells you. Choosing between Jobber and ServiceTitan can decide whether your business runs smoothly or turns into constant operational chaos. In this video, you'll get a clear 2026 comparison of Jobber versus ServiceTitan, what each platform is built for, where they perform best, and which one you should actually choose for your business. Let's get straight into it. First, what are these platforms really designed for? Jobber and ServiceTitan are both field service management systems. They help you schedule jobs, manage customers, send invoices, and track work in the field. But they are built for very different business sizes. Now here's where it gets interesting. Jobber is designed for small to mid-sized service businesses, while ServiceTitan is built for large, high-volume contractors. Let's start with Jobber. Jobber focuses on simplicity and fast setup. It helps you manage scheduling, invoicing, customer communication, and daily operations without complexity. A contractor like Jake running a small HVAC or cleaning business can log in and start scheduling jobs in minutes. The interface is clean, and the learning curve is low. This makes it ideal for teams that want structure without heavy training. But here's the problem. Jobber can start to feel limited when your business grows into multiple crews, complex dispatching, or advanced reporting needs. Now let's move to ServiceTitan. ServiceTitan is a heavy-duty platform built for large service companies. It includes advanced dispatching, call tracking, marketing automation, reporting dashboards, and deep operational control. A contractor like Alex running a multi-crew plumbing company can manage dozens of technicians, optimize schedules, and track performance in real time. Now here's where it gets interesting. ServiceTitan is not just software. It is a full business operating system for large service companies. But here's the catch. It comes with complexity, longer onboarding, and significantly higher cost. Let's compare scheduling and dispatching. Jobber offers clean and simple scheduling. You assign jobs, view your calendar, and track technicians easily. ServiceTitan takes this to another level with real-time dispatch boards, advanced routing, and performance tracking. A technician like John can be assigned jobs based on location, urgency, and skill level automatically in ServiceTitan. Now let's talk invoicing and payments. Both platforms handle invoicing and payments, but Jobber focuses on speed and simplicity. ServiceTitan adds more advanced financial tracking, reporting, and integration with larger accounting systems. Now here's where it gets interesting. ServiceTitan is built for businesses where small inefficiencies turn into big financial losses. Let's talk mobile experience. Jobber's mobile app is simple and easy for field workers. Technicians can view jobs, update status, and send updates quickly. ServiceTitan also has a mobile app, but it is more advanced and data-heavy. It gives technicians and managers deeper visibility into operations. But here's the problem. More data also means more training is required. Now let's talk pricing mindset. Jobber is affordable for small to mid-sized teams. It scales gradually as you grow. ServiceTitan is a premium enterprise solution. It is a major investment and usually makes sense only when your business is already generating high revenue. Now here's the key insight most contractors miss. Jobber is built to help you stay organized. ServiceTitan is built to help you scale aggressively and manage complexity at high volume. So which one should you choose? If you are a small or growing service business that wants simplicity, fast setup, and easy daily operations, Jobber is the better choice. If you are running a large operation with multiple teams, high job volume, and need deep operational control, ServiceTitan is the stronger option. Now here's the turning point. The wrong choice is not about features. It is about mismatch between software complexity and business size. To wrap it up clearly, Jobber is best for simplicity, affordability, and fast adoption. ServiceTitan is best for enterprise-level control, automation, and scaling large teams. If this comparison helped you understand the difference, hit like so more contractors can see it. Subscribe for more honest software breakdowns. And comment below what tools you want compared next, so you can make smarter decisions without wasting time or money.